Challenge Career Academy. We are going to learn here properties of rational number, in which commutative property on rational number through all operations. Which are that operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here I have written as usual formula. Look at here. A plus B. A and B should be rational numbers. Should be rational numbers, and when you interchange its place, then your answer should be equal or same. If answer is same, that is commutative, or if answer is not same, that is not commutative. Okay, let's see. I will take here two rational number under addition. Any rational number you can take here. I have taken these rational number. Here you have to make here denominator same. Okay. Before that I will write here by interchanging numbers. Okay, I have written it like this. Now I have to make here denominator same. Look at here. Here is 4 and here is 2. I have to make here denominators same. What we should do here? Here we want 4. For 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Then what we want to do here? We have to multiply by 2, because we want here denominator same. Okay. Now I will write here. Yes. Here also I have made here denominator same. Denominator same. Okay, I have changed here. Look at here once again. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. I have changed here. I have to write here 2. Yes, 1 into 2. Correct? Now we have to multiply these. Add these numbers. Now look at here. 2 plus 3 and then 4. I will write here 3 plus 4. I will write here, and I will write here answer. Look at here. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. I will remove this and I will write here direct answer. Okay. 5 by 4. Here also 5 by 4. Answers are same. So this is commutative. Next, I will take these number only. Plus 3 by 4. I have to interchange its name, its number, and 1 by 2. I am doing here operation. Which is operation? Minus. So that I have to do here subtraction. Now here also, if you are going to do addition or subtraction, you have to make denominator same. Here also you have to do denominator same. So here also you have to multiply by 2. Okay. Now I will write here answer. 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Now you have to write here. I will write here now. Look at here. 2 minus 3. What is its answer? 2 minus 3. What is its answer? I will write in blue. Here bigger number sign is minus, so I kept here minus. Okay. Now here 3 minus 2. Here bigger number sign is plus. So 1 by 4 here minus 1 by 4 here 1 by 4. Are these answers same? No, these are not same, because positive 1 by 2 is bigger than negative 1 by 4. So these answers are not same. So these are not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Okay, next, this number only I will take, this rational number only, 1 by 2, here multiplication 3 by 4, and I have to change, interchange, you place these numbers. Okay, now here multiplication, process is multiplication. Is here need to make denominator same? No. In multiplication and division there is no need to make denominator same. Okay. Now, we have to do 1 into 3, 2 into 4. Okay. Here also. 3 into 1, 4 into 2. What is its answer? 3 by 8. Here also 3 by 8. These answers are same. So, it is commutative. Next. Look at here. I will write these number only. I have to interchange these numbers. 1 by 2. Look at here, you are doing here division. So, if you want to do division, you have to here write reciprocal of 3 by 4 and put here multiplication sign. Now you know how we have to multiply here. 1 4 is it need here to write like this also? 1 into 2, 1 into 4, 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 4 into 1. What is answer? Now 1 into 4, 4 only, and 2 into 3, 5. Sorry, 2 into 3, 6. Now here 3 into 2, 6, and 4 into 1, 4. Are these answers same? No, these are not same. So division is not commutative. I hope you understood which numbers are commutative. Rational numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication. I hope you understood commutative property on rational number. We will see in another video with another property of rational number. Thank you.